up, guys? It's Mike. Hopefully everyone's having a good Friday. It's like 110 degrees in Southern California, so if you guys are out here, stay hydrated, stay safe. If you guys missed our Wednesday video, Billy Bob was crazy. I mean, when I say crazy, it was a little bit crazy. You have to watch this one. Anyways, commentaries are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so if you guys want to watch it, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. Okay, enough of that. Let's get into the first video. Mustangs. Now, I'm gonna give it to the guys. Mustangs sound freaking nice. I've owned 4 Chevys, and I can appreciate how Mustangs sound. Now, you know, they get a bad reputation. It's a little bit crazy what they've done in the past few years. Let's roll the first clip and show you what happens when you drive crazy. That guy sounds like Billy Bob's cousin. Oh boy! Woo, boy! Running from the cops. Okay, starting off nice and slow. Side note, don't run from the cops. Better off just pulling over. Just a big ticket, but better than going to jail, right? You guys often wonder, where do Mustang guys go after crashing into crowds? Now, news articles have stated that Mustang guys often crash into crowds, but they have to find body shops willing to work on this. The reason why is because they have bad reputations that no one wants to know. I'm making up this fact completely off my top of my head right now. That sentence didn't even make any sense. Why do I sound like a newscaster? So if you guys are looking for a body shop that's super discreet, that wants to do things and not tell anyone on social media, let me show you this video. This guy is named Vladimir. Vladimir will fix it for you. In about 2 to 4 weeks, you can find this car online, on Craigslist, on OfferUp. Light body damage, professionally repaired. I mean, light body work. I've never done body work, but I don't think this is how it's supposed to be done. I don't think you're supposed to use an axe, but I could be wrong. I don't know any better. I've been binge watching a lot of random shit on YouTube lately. I've gotten lost down the rabbit hole of YouTube, and I stumbled upon a series of videos. And the videos are time travelers and how the evidence exists, and it's been captured through media. As old as like the 20s and 30s and 40s and 50s. This next video shows that this dance was invented during Tokyo Drift. And I don't know how it's done, but I believe in time travel now. Come on, didn't that video make you smile a little bit? Okay, you guys are just stone cold, fearless. Okay, back to a Mustang video. Okay, we commonly see, I mean, most of you guys have seen a lot of Mustang videos on my channel with Mustangs crashing into crowds, poles, buildings, and just random parked cars. This is the aftermath of a Mustang losing control. Mustang meets pole. Now, not all Mustang drivers are bad drivers. A lot of them are pretty good. So how about this guy? Big shout out to this man doing a proper burnout. Nice rolling burnout too. Goes to show you it's not the car, it's the driver. Some people just can't control that much power. Mustangs are pretty freaking awesome. And of course, an honorable mention, this guy gets the freaking win for Savage of the Year. And I dare you guys to try this to your girl. Oh, that made me want to gag. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this Friday. We have videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you guys want to watch anything, slide into my DMs and let me know on Smurfinwrx. You guys want me to talk about it. But hey, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Thank you so much. I will see you guys next time on Snapchat and Instagram or vlog. Peace. Post roll. What's up? Oh, if you guys are still watching, comment below that dong for president. I know who my OGs are if you guys are watching all the way to this end. Man, I am doing construction on the building right after this video. So I'm running over there. See you guys on Snapchat. Cheers, my beers.